Remember when coronavirus was real big and everybody started hoarding all of the toilet paper and nobody could really figure out why toilet paper didn't really make that much sense? Well, last summer I started watching this TV show called Supernatural because it's my girlfriend's favorite show. And there just so happens to be this episode called The End, which came out in it came out in October 1st, 2009. But in this episode, Dean goes to the future and he finds out that there's this Croatoan virus that has devastated the world. So there's a virus that has devastated the world. And just watch what happens in this clip here. They make a joke about toilet paper. It's absolute predictive programming here.
So you're really from '09?
Yeah, afraid so.
Some free advice? Ever get back there? You hoard toilet paper. You understand me? Hoard it. Hoard it like it's made of gold. Because it is.
Thanks, Chuck.
Oh, you'll think.
So there's a killer virus, and he's telling him that he needs to hoard the toilet paper, just like what happened with coronavirus. What are the odds of that? And further, look at the episode title. It's called The End. In this language of gematria that I talk about all the time, if you write out the end, it just so happens to equal 56. Just like if you write out toilet paper, it equals 56. Just like if you write out Anthony Fauci, it equals 56. Just like if you write out coronavirus, it equals 56. Just like if you write out Gavin Newsom, it equals 56. And remember, Gavin Newsom, when coronavirus first came out, there was a story with Gavin Newsom projecting that 56% of Californians would get coronavirus in 8 weeks. A pretty specific number. Why wouldn't the story just say, a little over half of the people in California might get coronavirus? Instead, they specifically say 56%. His name equals 56, coronavirus 56, toilet paper 56. And think about 8 weeks. 8 weeks is also 56 days. So, what are the odds? This episode has a title that equals 56, and they make a joke about toilet paper and a killer virus. And don't forget, there was also this rap video by Dr. Creep that came out in 2013, where he says something along the lines of coronavirus in 2020, bodies stacking. And he says that right after he's standing here and there's a cupboard with a bunch of paper towels or toilet paper up in the cupboard. And then he has all kinds of other interesting songs and whatever else, like a song called Sacrifice in Numbers, So, just, whatever. Just wanted to point out the obvious predictive programming within Supernatural linked up to coronavirus and toilet paper.